Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Priceless Brenda and I'm a YouTuber based in Italy. And if you're an old subscriber or rather you've been watching me for a very long time, thank you very much for always tuning in to watch my videos. I really appreciate it and I'm not taking you guys for granted. So guys, before diving into the video of today, I just want to say, if you know you've been watching me for a very long time and you've not subscribed, be cool. Hit on the red subscribe button. Okay, please turn on your post notification to always notify you whenever I post any video. You will be the first to get notification. Okay, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you in advance. So guys, today I want to be reviewing a very beautiful product that everyone, I mean everyone except the kids, everyone need this in their skincare routine, but for the face. Okay, everyone need it in their routine and it is from The Ordinary. Okay, this product is from The Ordinary. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, this is the Ordinary, excuse me, it is the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factor plus AHA Surface Hydration Formula. Okay, this face cream work wonders. I'm not even kidding. Okay, this is what I've been using for like maybe 4 months now. Okay, 4 months, and it lasts for a very long time. Okay, I'm not the kind of person that use a lot of it. I use very little on my face and I'm good to go. Okay, but there's a way I use it though, but not every day. Maybe that's the reason why it's lasting for a very long time. So guys, this cream is for those people that have this. If you know you have this discolorations, you have acne, you have this vibe of face not blending, okay, blemishes here and there, please, this cream, yeah, this face moisturizing cream from The Ordinary is for you. Is for you. If you know you have spots like the ones I have for my face, really, before, if you should see my face, my spots, hey, I'm not even kidding, because I have a lot of pimples here and there, though now the pimples are gone, but the spots were still there. Now it is getting better, very better, though these ones are just like that. These are those normal bets. Is it, I don't know the mark they call it, these ones, but these ones, they are from the pimples that left my face, and and they left with what is it called, black marks on my face. So I did a lot of stuff for this face, so I did a lot of stuff, but now I am stuck permanently with this. Hey, I can't tell you. I should not say that. I can't tell. I might review something else and it will be the best, but The Ordinary is a bomb. The Ordinary is what I'm advising every girl to have in their bag, wherever you, in your bathroom, in your makeup kit, whatever, you should have this The Ordinary product in there. So if you are also the type that use peeling solutions, okay, because me, I do use peeling solutions. I do use this the AHA is still from The Ordinary, AHA peeling solution. If you use retinol, peeling solution, please, you need a mild moisturizer. Once you are doing peeling on your face, please do not use anything harsh on it. Use a natural moisturizer on that face, and also use a natural serum on your face. Do not use anything harsh on your face. Okay, so this product is really good. Okay, I'll read out some things on how, on the, that is written here. Just read it out to you. Okay, that is written on the body of the the cream. Okay, so first of all, it is written here, natural moisturizing factor plus AHA. So there's AHA inside of this face cream with amino acid. It is also It also has amino acid in it, dermal lipids, and hyaluronic acids. Okay, and the directions to use it is very simple. Apply as needed. You see, it's very simple. Apply, but don't do excess. So just apply. You can use a little, you can use much. Apply as needed, just the way you want. And it said, the notes written here says, it's by the side here. I don't know. It says, if irritations occurs, rinse off, cease use, and consult a physician. Okay, use only as directed on unbroken skin, unbroken skin, and patch test before use. Patch test. When I mean patch test, you can use it on a part of your skin that you know when it irritates, you can easily get rid of. Please do not patch test on your face, because that place is where everybody see. Okay, so use this word, use as the last step. For me, I do not use this as my last step when I'm going out. Okay, after using this, I use a sunscreen. So in the morning, the sunscreen should be the last thing you use on your face, right? So I use a sunscreen after using any stuff on my face, whatsoever I might use on my face. Sunscreen is always the last thing I use in the morning. But in the evening, this might be the last thing. This and the serum must will be the last thing I'll be using on my face. So it's like this. You see, it's almost gone. Okay, and just like this pump for me, it's good for me. Okay, and if you buy your own, you can pump it anywhere you like. Okay, and for the serum I use this serum from The Ordinary as well. It is the 100% who sorry is the 100% organic cold pressed rose hip seed oil. Okay, and it's like this. Okay, from The Ordinary too. So after taking that, pressing out the face cream on my palm, I use a little bit. You see, just one drop, because I don't want it to be too much on my face. I don't want my face to be shiny too much. Okay, you see, one drop is good for me. I don't like my face, maybe when I'm going out or something, my face to be so shiny. No, I don't like it. So what I do, I mix it together. I mix it together, mix it properly together, and I just apply it to my face. My face is already washed. Okay, before starting this video, I already took my bath and it's properly washed. Okay, this is what I'll do. You see, it goes a long way down to your neck. Okay, the reason why I'm not just doing it too much is because I already used it. Okay, so you see this area, rub it very well. Okay, and that is that for that. It's very simple, and this is so good. You won't regret buying this. You won't regret having this in any of your skincare routine. You will never regret it. Okay, so please, after using this in the morning, try your possible best to always use a sunscreen. Okay, and if you are those kind of people that use harsh serum, please do not use harsh serum alongside with this. Do not try, do not use hair serum alongside with this. And if you're using any of the Ordinary product, do not use harsh stuff alongside with it. Okay, this one also is said to, okay, if you have any irritation, please rinse it off immediately. Rinse it off. Okay, you don't need to wash it off after using. You don't need to wait for any minute and later wash it off. No, so it is as good as that. It's a face cream, right? So Guys, thank you for always watching me. Or if you know you enjoyed this video, big ol' subscribe. Please hit on the red subscribe button. You see, I'm trying to grow this channel. I really appreciate it if you can get me to 1,000 subscribers. I'll be so happy. Thanks for watching, and for now, ciao ciao, bye.